Most homeowners assume that two 16 SEER air conditioners are completely identical. Choosing the wrong brand could leave you with a deafening backyard and zero protection if your system has a major failure. A massive value gap between these two entry-level units means one gives peace of mind while the other leaves you exposed to expensive repairs. Let's look past the marketing brochures to see which model is a financial mistake and which is the smart choice for your home. Hi, I'm the HVAC Repair Guy with over 17 years in the trade. I have worked as a service technician, system installer, and licensed contractor. My early experience as a Navy nuclear electrical operator gives me a field-tested perspective, not a theory book view. Today we are breaking down the exact differences between the AirEase A7AC14F and the GE NS16A. Both systems are basic single-stage units with a 16 SEER efficiency rating. They both have heavy-gauge steel louvered coil guards and are manufactured in the USA. Both require professional dealer installation to validate their warranties. Under the hood, the performance and build differences become completely obvious. The first major difference is sound control and backyard comfort. The AirEase. A 7AC14F has a factory-installed compressor sound blanket and runs at about 72 decibels. The GE NS16A omits the compressor blanket and runs around 76 decibels, noticeably louder. A 4 decibel difference represents a major jump in perceived sound energy due to logarithmic scaling. The warranty gap is even larger when we compare support structures. Both brands offer a 10-year parts warranty and a 10-year compressor warranty. AirEase includes an elite 10-year unit replacement warranty that replaces the entire outdoor unit if the compressor fails. GE provides 0 years of unit replacement coverage, forcing invasive field repairs on an old shell. This difference reflects their manufacturer backgrounds and dealer infrastructure. AirEase is built by Allied Air Enterprises, a subsidiary of Lennox International with deep residential HVAC expertise. GE Central Air is made by GE Appliances, owned by Haier, and is a newer entry to ducted residential HVAC. Market pricing shows distinct ranges for standalone equipment and full installation. AirEase condenser pricing ranges from about $800 to $1,500. With installed estimates around $6,000 to $9,500. GE standalone pricing ranges from around $1,100 up to $3,273, with installed estimates from $4,100 to $7,500. Once fully installed, both systems compete in similar financial brackets, but AirEase delivers significantly more equipment for your money. Buying the GE means accepting a louder backyard and the long-term risk of an invasive compressor swap if the system fails. My final contractor verdict is clear. The AirEase A7AC14F is the winner of this comparison. You get identical 16 SEER efficiency, a quieter machine, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty with AirEase. If you want the best value, better build quality, and real peace of mind, buy the AirEase.